I promise you it's getting done, just very slow. Been away for a while, changing jobs. So anyway, update time. As you can see, I'm not sure where the last video left off, so I'll just give you a quick overview. This is going to be the 1915 draw-through turbo. Got my rockers on. Got my new lightning forged flywheel. In play is set. The cast, these a friend of mine helped me. We added, he added some material here, and he hogged them out a little bit to match the heads. C95 cam. What's left? I got to get the end castings put on. I got a stage 2 clutch I'm going to put in. Let's see. Basically just putting all the putting in the car and then hooking all that stuff up, the turbo and what have you. Still going with the SU style carburetor for now. We'll see what happens. Transmission's finally in. Ran into some problems, clearance problems, but I was able to figure it out to a point. For those of you that don't know, this is the Berg 5 transmission. Should do pretty good. Some the shifters in. Don't know what you can see. Can't tell from dark. Berg 5. So, not too sure. Everything is clearance fine. The only problem I'm having, and I don't know if you see it, and I apologize. This is the hole that is supposed to screw into, but you can see it's about a 1/4 inch off. So I'm not sure what's going on. Everything is where it needs to be under the car as far as transmission mounts, and so I'm not sure what happened, but I know I got 5 gears in reverse, so I'm going to leave it like that. I'll re-drill that shift rod to accept that. Put my new boots on. I have those over there. So instead of me jabbering and you know, let me get some more work done, and I'll cut back in here in a few minutes. Alright, I'm done for the day. Doesn't look like a whole lot, but it's all the little stuff, right? So everything's black. I don't care. It's the paint I had. So let's see, what did I get down? I got the valve covers on. Get those all cleaned up. Put the clutch in and the pressure plate. Let's see, what else? Intakes I'll put on when I get in the car. Put the gasket on down here for the generator stand. Cleaned up all the flanges for the header. All the brakes are in. Well, they're on. I have brake pads coming, I think, tomorrow. So I'll be able to finish that part up, get them all hooked back up. All the suspension is bolted in, except for the bar there, which I'll get that in a little while. Maybe later on in the week. I think I gotta get some welding done on that. And I didn't get the boots, so just remembered that. I didn't put those on yet. I might get those tonight, but anyway, not a big deal. It should be in this week, I hope. This thing fought me for all week. And I know you buy parts and you know, nothing is made to fit except for, you know, you pretty much got to trim and file everything you get. The flywheel didn't fit. I had to open up the holes a little bit. Had to take a couple motors apart to find the right in-place shims. So I got that down. I got that in play. Oops, sorry. Got that in place set to 3/1000ths, which is good. I'm debating on ordering a CB MagnaSpark distributor. I don't know. The other ones work just fine. I do have a MSD BTM box that I use, so it takes timing out as it builds boost. But the accuracy of a new distributor sounds appealing. But then again, who knows? We'll see. I can always add it later. So what's left? I got to put the motor in, obviously, hook up everything. I have to tap my fuel tank. I have the CB Performance Fuel Tank T, and I hate it. It has an O-ring in there that does not seal, and it cracks once you put pressure on it. So I've always had a leak, even before with my when the other turbo motor was in there. I always smelled gas, and it was just a drip. Every now and then it dripped, and when I took the car apart, I found out what it was. So I don't like it. I think I'm just gonna tap it and put a brass tee, or you know, a nipple and a brass tee or something in there, and do it my way. So I got to do that. I got to drill out the shift rod a little bit, and then that'll be solid. I have another. Yeah, I'll show you guys. Let's see. So this is going to be cool. I'm going to hook that in. I've got the. Let's see here. Where is it? That's not it. Hold on. Give me a second. It's cool stuff. Here it is. So it's got street tires, right? So you can't launch this thing on the two-step at $4 grand, $5 grand, wherever. So the lowest pill I had was like 3,000. So I'm looking, and I don't know where I'm going to set it, but I didn't know they made these. But they make an adjustable RPM little pill there. And what you do is you take that screwdriver and somewhere. Anyway, there's a little screw in there. And this is kind of stupid, me trying to show you this without opening it. But anyway, there's a little screw in there, and you screw it in or screw it out to get your RPM. I think it's adjustable from 0 to 2,000, 3,000. Maybe it's 2 to 3,000. I can't remember right off, but it'll be perfect. I mean, I could sit there at the line, you know, and engage it and just floor it. And then when it happens, you know, when the lights come down, I'll release it. Like I say, we'll see what happens. It was cheap. Oh, there it is. Okay, so see that little screw right there? It's like an adjustable module thing. Pretty much what all it is. It's probably a resistor in there. But at any rate, I'm rambling on, but that's going to be pretty cool. So everything is looking good. I hope to have the motor in this week. Get somebody to come over and help me get it off this stand, and give me a hand bolting it in. I got a new starter bolt, so we're good on that. I got to do a little redneck chrome and seal all this up. Anyway, all right, y'all. Thanks for watching. I know I got some new subscribers. Shouts out to you guys. I appreciate it. I don't post a video every week. I post it when I can. And we shall see what's going on. Oh, you know what's coming up? The Gambler's coming up. I got to get that car ready. I think it's coming up in April. The Florida Gambler 500. We went to that last year and it was a blast. Man, it's a blast. So stay tuned. The Baja is going to get some action soon. I know a lot of you guys like my Baja, so we will, once this is running, that's next. Always something going on. Talk to you later.